I want to go back to bed, face. Feeling a little weary today. It's day 15 of riding, but the cool thing about today is what we have ahead. So keep watching. How cool is this? We get to ride the famous Lake Dunstan Trail. First time for me, and I'm super excited. What a fab day to be riding this trail. Oh my goodness, the sunshine is so good. The colours of the water is amazing. We'd heard about the switchbacks on this trail, but hey, they are so cool. I love cornering, love going up and down, so all sweet. Most people get dropped off at Cromwell and ride the trail in the opposite direction to us. That's why we've got a few people coming towards us today. This trail is so cool. Look at these boardwalks. They're clipped onto solid rock. What an awesome engineering feat this is. It's just stunning. Full trail is around about 41 kilometres, but we won't be riding all of it today. We're actually going to be tuning off and heading through to our campsite before our big day tomorrow over Duffers Saddle. We've got a very big monster hill ahead of us. We're going to be riding up to Duffers Saddle, the highest public road in New Zealand. Excited, but not.
Where are they going? Yeah, almost to the top. You're going all the way to Garston. Excellent. Thanks. Amazing. Bye.
Woohoo, we made it! And now we've got to ride down, and we'll be doing lots of river crossings and ups and downs before we make it to our final destination tonight of Garston Historic Ski Hut. Swig of whiskey, anyone? We found the hidden bottle. Oh, definitely whiskey.
You're not going to take a swig?
No. This place is super remote. I mean, we're here in summer. Imagine this in winter, full of snow. It would be so cold. Dodgy mattresses, holes in walls, wondering what's living down below the hut. This is definitely our most unique accommodation so far.
Janet, shot. Good morning, beautiful. Time for breakfast.
Oh yeah, need a shower.
Shadow shot.
Shout out to the coffee bomb ladies. Oh my goodness, what an amazing breakfast. We'll be riding on the Around the Mountain Cycle Trails today. There is a bit of a forecast for some headwinds, so we will see what happens with that.
Oh shit! I was videoing. Time for using a cell phone while riding. There's Janet. And there's Janet.
Found the headwind through to Mossburn. Just so demoralising. Probably a very low moment for me in this trip. Just seemed to go on forever and ever.
Hi, I'm Edna.